A completed repair order. MaxxTraxx has several options for applying payment to a completed repair order. This video will review those options as well as what happens if a mistake is made during the process. First, a repair order must be in the completed status to be paid. To move an open repair order to completed status, open the repair order view by highlighting and double-clicking on the line. Review the RO to make sure you are ready to close it out. Once the repair order has been reviewed, click on the Save box in the lower right corner. If the customer is there to pay the bill, click on the Pay and Print option. This takes you to the cash drawer window. This window will display the customer's name, date, and time of the current transaction, and repair order number. At this point, we would select the method of payment by clicking on the drop-down and highlighting the way the customer was going to pay the bill. If the customer was splitting the payment into two different methods, MaxxTraxx can account for that. Simply select the payment method and apply the amount they were giving you. If the customer wanted to pay $100 in cash and the rest on a credit card, select cash, fill in the amount to post, and click on Apply Payment. The remaining balance will appear in the Amount to Post box. Just select the credit card they're using and apply that payment. If a mistake is made at this point, it is easy to rectify. Click on the View Cancel Payments button. This will allow you to reverse any charges before the repair order is closed. Simply delete the payment method that was in error. If a customer is paying cash, the system will handle the change. Just apply what they hand you and let the system figure the rest. Click on the Finish button to close the transaction. The cash details even appear on the customer's copy. If the repair order was already in complete status and not printed, you can go to the Quick Picks drop-down and select Cash Drawer. The default selection is Pay Completed Repair Order, and that's what we want to do. Click the Next button. Find the repair order you want to collect payment for. Highlight it and click Next. As you can see, this is the same screen reviewed earlier in the video. And just like before, you will select the method of payment, apply that to the record, and then finish the transaction. Here you can preview or print the repair order. The preview screen gives you a look at the document just like your customer will view it. This is how the document will look that is stored in MaxxTraxx records. From there, you can print the copies you want, or in this case, close without printing. If a mistake was made, such as the wrong payment method was chosen or the wrong mileage was listed, the transaction is easily reversed. In the Cash Drawer window, click on the View Current Cash Drawer Transactions button. If the error was not from the current date, you can search for it using the Start and End Date fields. Once you locate the repair order in question, highlight the repair order, then click the Void Payment button. This will place the repair order on the service schedule with the status as complete. You'll see a warning window asking you if you want to proceed. Click Yes. If any modifications need to be made to the repair order other than payment method, you will have to change the status to something other than complete. This, of course, can be done by right-clicking on the repair order line and changing the status. When the repair order is back in complete status, we'll go to the cash drawer and accept the payment. In this case, we'll just change the credit card used and finish the transaction. Remember that if any changes were made, even to just the payment method, you should always print out a new copy for your customer. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.